Today, we're going to build Kylo Ren's shuttle using 6 LEGO pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 1x2 jumper plate. And on the center stud of that 1x2 jumper plate, I'm going to grab this 2x1 curved slope piece. And what I want to do is I'm going to put that curved slope so it goes onto that center stud and goes over the front like this. And then underneath it, we're going to make that red cockpit light that the First Orders have in a lot of their ships and Kylo Ren's shuttle. But to do that, I'm going to get a 1x1 translucent red plate piece and just put that on the 2x1 curved slope that's over the 1x2 plate in the front like this. And now when I put that on, there's a gap here and I want to smooth it out. So to smooth it out, I'm going to get a 1x1 plate, but this time in black, and put that in the center of the 1x2 jumper plate like this. And here I've got the center body of Kylo Ren's shuttle, and all I have left are the wings. And to create the wings, I'm going to grab 2 1x3 plate piece and hold it. First Order, they're bad guys, so I'm going to use a illegal move here and put the end of that 1x2 plate piece between the bottom and center stud of my 1x3 plate like this to create the wings, and do that to both sides. But he's the bad guy. He doesn't care about the rules and legal versus illegal builds to make Kylo Ren's shuttle.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.